My C sound box. C. Now C can make some different sounds. C can sound like k, 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 or it can sound like s, 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 kind of like an S. Or it can sound like ch if there's an H next to it. So let's start our story. We have crayon, cherries, that's the ch, carrot, clock, crab, chipmunk, that's another ch sound, and cupcake. Two C's, cupcake. Here's a coin that's worth 1 cent. See, there's the number 1 there. Cent is also a C word. Cookie, candy cane. There's 2 C's, candy and cane. Calendar, right? See what days of the week or month it is or year. Cake, castle, and coat. Little C had a box. I will find things that begin with my C sound, she said. I will put them into my sound box. Little C was cold. She found some coats. Little C put on a coat. Did she put the other coats into her box? She did. Little C found some caps. She put on a cap. Did she put the other caps into her box with the coats? She did. Then little C saw a caterpillar. Before she put the caterpillar into the box, it made a cocoon. So she put the cocoon into her box. Soon little C found a car. She got into the car and went for a drive in the country. She saw a cat. The cat was chasing a canary. Canary is a special word for bird, right? Little C caught the cat. She put it into her box. She called to the canary. The canary flew into a cage. Little C put the cage and the canary into her box. Little C saw a cow and a calf near a field of corn. She put the cow, the calf, and some corn into her box. Then little C drove her car through a desert. She saw a camel and a cactus. She put them into her box. Oh, I hope she was careful with her cactus. Cactuses are very prickly. She drove to the end of a road. She found a castle, a big castle. A clown was at the castle door. Come in, said the clown. Little C got out of the car. She carried her box into the castle. She saw candy canes, cookies, and a cake with candles on it. You are just in time for my party, said the clown. Little C took off her coat and cap. She lifted the cage and the canary out of the box. She lifted out the cocoon with the caterpillar inside. Then all the other animals came out of the box. They all sat down to a birthday party. The caterpillar did not eat, because it was still in the cocoon. The end.